Hey, welcome to Average Mike. Today we're going to work on a arts and crafts kind of thing. So my wife is looking for a picture holder in her classroom. So she just wants a frame with chicken wire so she can put little pictures of her students. And she wants to have this continuous to go out through all the years of her teaching so that she could see all the effect of all, or have a bulletin of all the students that she's taught over the years. So pretty cool idea. She came up with it. Now it's my job to build it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take old pallets and skids that I had in the back here, in the back of the house, and basically going to sand them down. So we're going to sand them down. We're going to take these pallets. We're going to sand them down with our pneumatic sander here. We're going to make them nice and clean. I already cut myself. That's fun. So we're going to make them nice and clean. They've been sitting in the backyard out in the elements for a couple years. So we're gonna sand them down, make them nice and clean, and then we're gonna attach the chicken wire to them. It should be a really simple, really quick video, and something very simple that she wants to be done. So, all right, enjoy. So I had it a couple times, just a couple times.
22 shows Rich. The RAM that if you saw the video,
Subs. Speaking of which, like and subscribe underneath. Come on now. Distance here. So next phase, so we have just a box of chicken wire called Best Wire Mesh. I don't know, this is galvanized wire netting. See that? So they're using galvanized wire netting from BSTWN, just some Amazon purchase. Got 13 sheets, 13 by 39, so it's about the right distance for it. Comes with this little tool for cutting, but we're not going to need it. We're using the whole sheet. All right, because 39 inches is the right depth for these skids. All right, so then what we're doing is basically just going to have it bamboo boom. Actually, what I might do is I'm going to put it in between like that. Put it behind. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this one behind so she can hang it. She can hang behind it. That'll be better. Alright, so I'm going to go get my staple gun and attach this to the other staple gun. This way so this piece doesn't bother us. right, T. So I am going to stretch the mesh out so that it's straight, and then I'm going to mark the edge of the board. Boom. So we get that distance. And I'm going to do 2 of them same size because it just makes sense. Thanks for watching Average Mike. Today we did the memory board for my wife. She wanted something to look a little rustic with using the chicken wire we had left over from another project, and I thought about the skids we had left over from another project. So it took about 15-20 minutes to do this. It was, I think the cost of the chicken board was the chicken wire was $8, and I had everything else around the house, so this entire project cost $8. Here's the tools you need: triangle, a pencil, a stapler, a sander, doesn't have to be pneumatic or air pressured, screw gun, circular saw, pretty much it. And the materials you see: skid, chicken wire. So now we're gonna hang this up on her. On our classroom wall, and she's gonna be able to remember her students that she's taught for a long time. So I appreciate it. Thank you for watching Average Mike. Smash that subscribe button and check out the other stuff we have on the channel. Thank you.